Now in this lecture, I am going to explain the exercise number 6.2 of class 10th. Name of the chapter is triangles. So I am going to start within a second now along with you, and I am sharing the exercise of the lesson along with you now. Just a little bit. I am going to share the screen with you. Exercise 6.2 of class 10th. Now this is the exercise number 6.2. There are two theorems in this exercise which I will explain you later in some other lectures. Now this is exercise 6.2 of your textbook. This is question number 1. In the figure 6.17, 1 and 2, DE is parallel to BC. देखिए यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है बेटा DE जो है वो पैरेलल है BC की, यानी ये वाली जो लाइन है ये इस वाली लाइन के पैरेलल है. फाइंड EC इन द वन, ये यहाँ पे EC गायब है, इसको निकालना है. एंड AD इन द सेकेंड, AD की वैल्यू निकालनी है सेकेंड वाले में. तो चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं. I will brought this question over here. आपका पहला क्वेश्चन देखिए कि ये AD का जो वैल्यू है फर्स्ट वार्ड में, AD का जो वैल्यू है ये 1.5 दिया हुआ है. उसके बाद दिस इज B, BD का जो वैल्यू है ये 3 सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है. दिस इज 1.5 सेंटीमीटर. Now value of AE is equal to 1 centimeter and you have to find the value of EC, that is let it be x centimeter. इसको सॉल्व करने के पहले एक थोड़ा सा थ्योरम बता रहे हैं, मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म है थ्योरम का, कि अगर मान लीजिए ये कोई ट्राइंगल है, ठीक है, उसे बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम कहते हैं. इसमें यहाँ पे देखिए दो ट्राइंगल्स अगर हम कहते हैं बन रहे हैं ABC, D एंड E. तो आपका एक छोटा सा ट्राइंगल है, ट्राइंगल ABC, और आप एक दूसरा ट्राइंगल ले सकते हैं बड़ा वाला फुल ट्राइंगल ADE. ये दोनों ट्राइंगल अगर हम कहते हैं कि ये दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हैं, ठीक है, ये सिमिलर का निशान होता है, ये जो मैंने बीच में बनाया है, दिस इज द मार्क ऑफ द सिमिलर. व्हेन एनी टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर वी यूज दिस मार्क टू रिप्रेजेंट देम. नाउ इफ triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, then अच्छा अभी हम इसको आपके सामने प्रूव करते हैं कि ये सिमिलर क्यों है. अगर कोई दो ट्राइंगल्स आपस में सिमिलर होते हैं तो हमें उसमें सर्च करना होता है केवल दो चीजों को, जो कि इक्वल प्रूव करना होता है. तो चलिए इसको प्रूव करते हैं हम पहले. इन ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ट्राइंगल ADE, आप देखिए जो एंगल A है ये छोटे वाले ट्राइंगल में भी आ रहा है ABC में और बड़े वाले ट्राइंगल में भी आ रहा है. सो वी कैन राइट इट एज एंगल BAC is equal to angle DAE, which is common in both of the triangles. Now moreover, angle B can be equal to angle D because this line is parallel to line this. तो अगर मान लीजिए बेटा कोई दो लाइनें होती हैं वो पैरेलल हो रही हैं, बीच में से ट्रांसवर्सल जा रहा है, तो इन एंगल्स को हम करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल कहते हैं और ये इक्वल होती हैं. सो फ्रॉम हेयर एंगल ABC is equal to angle ADE. So because they are corresponding, angle, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. तो अगर मान लीजिए कोई दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हो रहे हैं तो उनकी जो साइड्स का रेशियो होता है वो सेम होता है. दैट इज रेशियो ऑफ AB ओवर BD is equal to ratio of AC over CE. ये आपकी बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस थ्योरम. So from this theorem we utilize, कभी इस थ्योरम को हम आपको डिटेल में बताएंगे. तो ये थ्योरम एक्चुअली बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम होती है. तो इसी का यूटिलाइज हम करते हैं कि यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें कि दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हैं, ट्राइंगल ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So from basic proportionality theorem, the ratio of their sides must be equal. That is AD, ये हमने छोटे वाले ट्राइंगल से साइड ले ली और बड़े वाले ट्राइंगल का साइड हमने ले लिया AB, फुल साइड. So now their ratio must be equal to AE over AC. अब यहाँ पर हम ये सारी वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे. तो AD का वैल्यू बेटा क्या है 1.5, वैल्यू ऑफ वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट, इसको आप और इजी कर सकते हो, आप इसको ये भी रेशियो लिख सकते हो AD ओवर AB, और वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट द रेशियो लाइक दिस AD ओवर BD विच इज इक्वल टू AE ओवर EC. सो हमारा कैलकुलेशन ईजी हो जाएगा. वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इन दिस फॉर्म. So we use this equation, so our calculation become easy. So this is 3 centimeter, this is 1 and this is x. Now cross multiplying we get x is equal to 3 into 1 over 1.5. So the 0 get cancelled. So value of x is 2 centimeter. Now the second question I am going to solve you and I want the figure. So I will use the next page for that. Let it be connected as B. Now here in two triangles, we can take two triangles ADE and triangle ABC. Now here in the two triangles, we have a ratio of AD over BD which is equal to AE over EC by basic proportionality theorem. यहाँ बैठ जाओ, यहाँ बैठ जाओ, यहाँ बैठिए, बुक ले आइए और यहाँ बैठ के पढ़िए. Now let AD must be x. So I will take as x. In place of BD, I will write 7.2. AE, I will write 1.8. And EC, I will write 5.4. Now cross multiplying, we get x into 5.4, which is equal to 1.8 into 7.2. So value of x is equal to 1.8 into 7.2 over 5.4. Now we remove the decimals and it becomes 18 into 72 over 540. Now we cut down 8 9s are 72. Okay. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 9s are 54, 9 2s are 18, 9 10s are 90, 2 5s are 10. That is 5 2s are 10.4. Now next question. Now question number 2 I am going to explain with you. E and F are the points over here to the sides PQ and PR respectively. Now figure is not given to us and we have to draw the figure in this question also. So now I am going to start this question. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR. Now how will we draw this question? We have to draw a figure, that is the triangle is triangle PQR. It is given in the question. So this is not the figure. E and F are the points on the side PQ and PR. So this is P, this is Q, and this is R. E and F are on the points on the sides this and this. Now EF is parallel to QR. We have to tell this. State whether EF is parallel to QR, and there are different conditions given to us in different questions. Now the first one, it is given to us PE is 3.9. That means this is 3.9. EQ 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. PF 3.6 centimeter. And FR, that is 2.4 centimeter. And we have to tell that whether this is parallel or not. Two lines are parallel if the ratio of the sides are equal. If ratio of sides are equal, then two lines are parallel. Now we have to check for that. I will check for PE by EQ is equal to PF over FR. If these values are same, these values are equal, then lines EF is parallel to QR. This is the property. Now value of PE is 3.9 and value of EQ is 3. Here value of PF is 3.6 and it is 2.4. Now we have to solve this. It becomes 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and this is 10. And here it becomes 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. It can't be cut. 4 nines are 36, 4 6 are 24, 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. Here we get 3 by 2. As we see that these ratios are not equal to each other. These ratios are not equal to each other. So EF is not parallel to QR for the condition number 1. Now for the condition 2, again we draw the figure in the same way. Let it be P, then Q, then R. Now these are the points E and F. Now P is 4, Q is 4.5, PF is 8, RF is 9 centimeter. Now in order to prove whether these lines are parallel to each other, we have to find a ratio. That is PE over QE is equal to PF over FR. Now we find the ratio. 4 upon 4.5 is equal to 8 by 9. Now this can be goes up. So 40 by 45 is equal to 8 by 9. Now we cut the ratio 8 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 40. So we get the same ratios. 8 by 9 is equal to 8 by 9. So in this case, EF is parallel to QR. Now the third one. Similarly, third one we have to check. Now we have a figure like this. This is P, this is Q, and this is R. Now in the third one, data is given to us. PQ, the whole data is given to us, that is 1.28. And PR, here the whole data is given to us, 2.56. Now PE is 0.18 and PF 0.36. Now we have to check whether these lines are parallel or not. Now similarly, we take one side of the smaller triangle and other side of the bigger triangle, that is PE over PQ and PF over PR. We have to check. If their ratios are equal, then lines are parallel. I am substituting the values, which is equal to 0.18, PQ, that is 1.28, similarly 0.36 and 2.56. Now when we solve, we get 18 by 128, and in this question we get 36 by 256. Now cutting by 4, 4 9s are 36, 4 6 are 24, 4 4s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. We get the equal ratios. 9 by 64 is equal to 9 by 64. So EF is parallel to QR. So now, in order to prove that the two triangles are similar, we have to find the ratios. Now in the second part of this exercise, I will go to take the provings of this exercise in the next lecture.